Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design a tech unboxing thumbnail in Photoshop. Open a new canvas and start with a clean gradient background. Now import the product image like phone, laptop and gadgets and remove its background with selective subject. Use drop shadow and outer glow to make the gadget stand out. Add highlights reflections with the brush tool for a premium tech look. Insert bold typography such as bold for the word unboxing. Apply metallic or neon gradients to your text to create a futuristic vibe. Add dynamic shape